Hi, I'm Dennis Judy. I've been a professional pest control specialist for over 40 years. Today I want to show you how to use EcoRaider bedbug killer to take care of bedbugs in your home. Bedbugs typically are found in the bedroom areas. They feed on blood, so it's very important that we look for them in areas such as the bedding, nightstands, the headboard, especially down here along the box spring and the mattress tufts. Those are going to be some of the prime areas that you'll find them. And keep in mind, they typically are feeding at night, so you have to really look closely to find them. The product is a blend of several ingredients, so before you start using the product, you want to shake it vigorously. We need to mix up all those ingredients to make sure that all the actives are working together. Once you've done that, your next step is to try to locate the infestation, look for any live bugs. You want to spray those live bugs, any of the eggs that you may find, and they're very, very microscopic. But if you can kill them on contact, it's much better, even though the product itself will leave about a 2-week residual. Okay, the primary areas that we want to treat when we're talking about a bedding, the bed, several steps involved. Your very first step is to remove all the bed linens. We like to take those, fold them gently. We'll put those in a trash bag, and then we will take that trash bag full of your bed linens and take it to your laundry room. You want to put it in the dryer, put the dryer on high heat, and you want to heat those bed linens for at least 30 minutes. That heat will kill any bed bugs that may be on them. Now for this demo, we've already removed the bed linens so that part has already been done. When we find bed bugs, in my professional opinion, probably 95% of the time, you're going to find them right down here along the box spring, close to the headboard. That's where the majority of the infestations start. So you want to pay particular attention to these areas. And then when you're treating, you want to treat thoroughly along the bed rail system, around the tufts of the box spring. Spray these box spring areas thoroughly. You want to spray it to the point of wetting without it running off. Then you want to check these mattresses. Look for these tufts along the seams. Bed bugs will hide up under these little areas, so pull that back, inspect it thoroughly, and then you can treat very good all around these tufted areas and into these indentations. Another area that they'll frequent would be the headboard area, where the bed rails and the headboard come together. There's usually some little nooks and crannies, so check those thoroughly, spray them accordingly. Once you've treated the nooks and crannies of the headboard and all the bed rail area, then you're probably finished with the bed per se. Okay, the next thing we want to do is take a look at the nightstand. I like to take the nightstand and maybe just pick it up, put it on the bed. That way I can open the drawer. You see all the little nooks and crannies where the bed bugs can hide. Treat that thoroughly, again, to the point of being wet but not running off. And you'll get a very, very good treatment in place to take care of the bed bugs in those areas. This should do a pretty good job for you, thoroughly all around the bed, headboards, footboards. Pay very close attention to the mattress and the box springs. And if you've got a very high infestation, you're finding lots and lots of bed bugs, I would then suggest that you go ahead and lift up the mattress, lift up the box spring, and treat much more thoroughly. I hope this has given you some guidance on how to take care of bed bug problems at home using EcoRaider. Keep some product available so you'll have it when the need arises.